Topic is rapid sand filter and numerical on rapid sand filter. Rapid sand filter. In rapid sand filter, first condition is water to be treated must be coagulated and sedimented. Sedimentation added with coagulation. After that, water enter in rapid sand filter. In rapid sand filter, D10 size of sand 10% finer than dia. This size is 0.35 mm to 0.55 mm. This type of sand is used in for filter bed. Uniformity coefficient D60 upon D10 is equal to 1.2 to 1.8. Filter media consists of sand layer about 60 to 90 centimeter in depth and placed over a gravel support, just like a slow sand filter. Base material of gravel consists of 60 to 90 mm thick gravel of 5 to 6 layers. 60 to 90 centimeter thick gravel of 5 to 6 layers, each of 10 to 15 centimeter in depth. 3 mm at top, 40 at bottom. In rapid gravity filter, better gradation of gravel is required because distribution of wash water is a critical function. Rate of filtration of rapid gravity filter is very high, about 3000 to 6000 liter per meter square per hour. This is the rate of filtration of rapid gravity filter. And backwashing. Backwashing is necessary in rapid gravity filter. Necessity of backwashing, it means it indicate head loss. Rapid gravity filter are washed mechanically through backwashing, either using water or compressed air. Back using water, filtered water. Entire process of backwashing takes about 15 minutes, very short period. Amount of water required for backwashing is 2 to 5% of 2 to 5% of total water filtered in a day. Rapid gravity filter get clogged very frequently. This is the problem in rapid gravity filter. Filters voids get clogged very frequently and have to be washed every 24 to 48 hours. Rate of washing is 15 to 90 centimeter rise per minute. And in bottom, under drainage system, in rapid gravity filters, the under drainage system serve two purposes. First is to receive and collect the filtered water. Second, to allow the backwashing for cleaning of filter. The under drainage system should be capable of passing wash water upward direction at high sufficient rate. Rate of application of wash water is for backwashing is 6 to 16 times the rate of filtration. Very high rate of application in backward direction for backwashing is 6 to 16 times the rate of filtration. Rate of filtration is slow, but backwashing is very high rate. We adopt a manifold and lateral system, lateral pipes and main central pipe for drainage and for backwashing. Two types of laterals can be used. First is perforated pipe. perforated pipe type of system. In this system, water jet is used. And second is pipe and strainer type of system. When perforated pipe is used, the washing is called high velocity wash. And in this case, compressed air is not used. When perforated pipe used, then for washing, water used, not compressed air. When strainer is used, back washing using water is accompanied by compressed air. This is called slow velocity wash. Size of pipe, pipe size determination for drainage, total cross sectional area of perforation in pipes. Perforation means holes in pipes. Many holes in pipes. Area of perforation is equal to 0.2% of filter area. Cross sectional area of each lateral pipe is 2 to 4 times the cross sectional area of perforation in it. 2 times when perforation dia is 13 mm and 4 times when perforation dia is 6 mm. Cross sectional area of manifold will be twice the cross sectional area of the lateral drains, and length of each lateral upon dia of lateral pipe not greater than 60. Ratio of dia length to dia for lateral pipe not greater than 60. Maximum permissible velocity of flow through manifold or main central pipe will be 1.8 to 2.4 meter per second. The spacing of lateral direction pipes is kept 10 to 30 centimeter apart. Efficiency and performance of rapid gravity filter. These filters are less efficient in bacteria removal. Only 80 to 90% bacteria remove in this system. Can remove turbidity up to 35 to 40 milligram per liter, and highly efficient in color removal. Rapid gravity filters are the best and most economical because of filtration rate is high. Design steps for rapid rapid filter. Estimate total volume of water to be filtered, which is equal to maximum daily water demand. Maximum daily demand. Suitable filtration rate 3000 to 6000 liter per hour per meter square. This can be understand a numerical. Total area required for filtration is equal to volume of water to filter upon filtration rate. Find total number of filter unit required for operation having area of each filter 10 to 80 meter square. Number of filter units determined from this equation, Marel and Wallace equation. N is equal to 1.22 under root Q. Q is equal to plant capacity in million liter per day. And minimum 2 filter units used. Now take a numerical on rapid sand filter. Design the approximate dimensions of a set of rapid gravity filter. The 2 rapid gravity filters are used. Design the approximate dimensions of a set of rapid gravity filter for treating water required for a population of 50,000. The rate of supply being 180 liter. Sorry, the rate of supply being 180 liter per day per person. The filters are rated or filtration capacity to work 5,000 liters per hour per meter square. Rate of filtration of filter or efficiency 5000 liters per hour per meter square. Assume necessary data required. Solution. Now population is 50,000, supply 180 liter per day per person, demand 180 liter per day per person. Now requirement is maximum water demand. This is the annual average daily demand 180 liter, but we can estimate it on the maximum water demand per day. Maximum water demand is the 1.8 times the annual average daily demand. So for per person and for city into population, 50,000 population into 1.8 times into 180 liter per day per person. So is equal to 16.2 into 10 to the power 6 liter, means 16.2 million liters. This is the water for water enter in rapid sand filter. Water demand per hour. Ignoring time lost in cleaning, this is the only for 24 hours, only for 15 minutes. So ignoring time lost in cleaning. 16.2 into 10 to the power 6 liter per day, and in hour 24 hours in a day. So 16.2 into 10 to the power 6 upon 24 liters per hour is equal to 675 into 10 to the power 3 liters per hour. Filtration rate 5000 liter per hour per meter square. Area of filter beds required is equal to demand upon rate of filtration. Demand is 675 into 10 to the power 3 liter per hour upon rate of filtration given 5000 liter per hour per meter square. So divided by this rate of filtration is equal to 135 meter square total filter area. Now we use two filter bed. So area of each unit is equal to 135 upon 2 is equal to 67.5 meter square. Assuming length is 1.5 times the width. So L is equal to 1.5b and area L into b is equal to length into width. Area of filter is length into width is equal to 67.5 meter square. L is equal to 1.5b, 1.5b into b is equal to 67.5 and b width is equal to 6.7 meter. And L is equal to 1.5b is equal to 10 meter. This is the, so we use total 2 units each of size 10 meter length and 6.7 meter width. This is the solution of filter, rapid sand filter. This is the rapid sand filter. Thank you.